Well, today in the kitchen we have Maribel.
Thank you, Doctor, for inviting me.
Maribel, we have been discussing curry or turmeric in our show today. And we have a very nice and delicious recipe using turmeric.
Both turmeric and curry. Yes.
So tell us what you have, Maribel.
We're gonna have a tofu Thai curry. And we're gonna start by heating up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna add our onions first.
How much onions are we using?
1 whole onion, a medium one, a medium size.
Chopped.
And we're gonna saute it until translucent. And I put the garlic in there, 2 cloves of garlic, so we can go ahead and get them nicely sauteed. I have a half a cup of peas, half a cup of carrots, 1 whole medium potato, and a 15-ounce can of chopped tomatoes or 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped.
Very good.
So after the onion has been sauteed, we're gonna go ahead and start with our spices, which is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of curry, which has a combination of turmeric, ginger, and cumin at the same time, all in one.
Very good. And turmeric is used for joint pain or any pain, arthritis, or just about any form of ailment. It has been used in Asia for many years.
That is correct, and it also makes our food taste great.
Right, and it gives it that yellow color, right?
Yellow color,
Okay.
yes. We're gonna proceed by adding the half a cup of carrots,
Very nice.
half a cup of peas,
Uh-huh.
and 1 whole potato.
Now, how long are we going to cook that for, Maribel?
We're gonna simmer all of this for 5 minutes, but we will cook until the vegetables are tender. And of course, our potatoes and carrots would be the one that take the longest.
Very nice.
We're gonna add the 3 medium or 2 large tomatoes chopped, or 1 can of 15 ounces. And we will end by adding half a cup of red bell peppers or yellow.
Very good.
Julienne.
Excellent. So in this dish, you have a lot of vegetable that will bring
correct.
us the vitamins and the minerals, correct?
Correct. We're
All
gonna
right.
go ahead and cover this and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes until our vegetables get tender. Last but not least, we will add 1 whole tablespoon of fresh ginger.
Very good. And if you don't like the ginger, you can do less ginger than a whole tablespoon.
That
right,
or
Maribel?
powdered. And we're gonna go ahead and add 8 leaves of fresh basil, or the same, like the doctor says, you can add the dry or just cut back on the amount.
Excellent. And then, Maribel, we're going to leave this for about 20 minutes.
That is correct, doctor.
Let the vegetable cook, and then what are we going to do next?
Well, we're gonna go ahead and add our spice. And we have the Thai pepper, and that we can add to the taste. Of course, if you're a person that doesn't like too hot, just go ahead and cut back.
Right. At what time do we add the tofu?
We're gonna go ahead and give it 5 minutes, like I said. And in the meantime, we are cutting our tofu and browning it in the oven. That usually takes about 45 minutes, so you wanna do that ahead of time. At this time, you can see the golden brown on our tofu, and we're gonna go ahead and add it.
Very good.
Either spray your pan or put a foil with spray, and then just put a little bit of salt. Mix, and again, this will take about 15-20 minutes to go ahead and get the vegetables tender.
And remember to watch the salt. We don't want you to have too much salt because salt will increase the blood pressure.
We're gonna go ahead and add 1 can of coconut milk. Just spread it evenly on your pan, and we're gonna leave this in here and saute it for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the tenderness of your vegetables.
Very good. But you know, on television, we don't have that time. So we have something prepared for you, Maribel. Let's show it.
That is correct. Let me go ahead and remove this.
Alrighty, so you notice we have a carbohydrate there. We have our brown rice that is also filled with protein and fiber. And then we have our curry. Thai curry looks delicious with lots of multicolored vegetable. I know this is very delicious. Try it at home and send
You
us a
will like
message. And if you need more recipes, then look for us at our website www.gethealthywithdrcooper.tv.